Makes it in. And the first basket of the ball game belongs to way to Pendon. Webe, alley-oop to Arjan Kanguna. Pass to Lacerda. Babalik pala.
Galing.
Nice pass. White pass to Damas. A little bit of left to layup. Garcia on the scoop. And a 5-point swing. But pass to Jonas. Jonas inside. Boots. One-hand flip. Off the glass is good. Well defended. Good defense by Carunua. Here comes the fast break of Kanluran. And a putback by Wewe. Was Wewe on the defense. Nice move by Velasco. It's a long three, yes. Good spontaneous three. Another turnover on the pass. Well, it's a 5-on-4. 3 for Padayao. Plan overshoot. Pedroso. Pass. Looking for a back-to-back. Why not? Padayao. 3. Split break over Dudes. 18 seconds. B-boy back to Good. Goods for 3. Good spontaneous 3. Pass for Pedroso. GK lays it up and in. Lacerda. And Infante. Under pressure. Rossini on the board. Cavalida attacks. Rossini pass to Lacerda. White reset. Where finger roll layups good. Rossini miss. Pendon on the board, ahead to Goods and no dribble layup for Goods Montillas. For Kanluran, Lapian cut the deficit to 10.